In today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you some new products that I got from Born Pretty. If you've never heard of Born Pretty and you are a beginner at doing your own nails like I am, this is quite the affordable brand. Now, when I first started getting Born Pretty products, the packaging was actually a little bit different. You remember the cap? They used to have like a shorter cap, and I think the bottles were black. I used to have some of the older products, but those are all expired now, so I just have some of the newer gel polishes here. But now they've kind of changed the packaging just a few times, and they also have improved their gel polish formula as well. And they've also added a lot of variety of different gel products. If you're a beginner, having a variety of different types of gel products, well, it's gel, like liner paint gel. Then you have like this 10-in-1 nail glue and gel, which is an amazing product. I actually like using that. The super top coat is the OG. This is another one of their older packaging. I don't know if the newer packaging or if this is still available in this packaging, but it has this velvet mat. If you're OG, you will remember these. These was the jam. I love them so much. They were very sleek and elegant. And now lately, this is the latest gel product that I have received from them, and the packaging has changed once more again. And this is the newest logo. Now, if you have any of their old products, it would be a different logo, but this is the new logo here as well. And I still have my magnetic gel. This is what the old logo looked like, just like this little flower here. So we have tools from Born Pretty. We have a variety of different products. And I just love that they have expanded so much on the different products that they now offer. This is the nail glue that I actually have on my tips right now. I'm gonna get to the PR products that they sent me, but I just wanted to give a kind of background as to why I enjoy using this brand. And as you can see, this is an OG product. You can see that it still has the old logo on here as well. But this one is what I have on my nails, and I absolutely love this. The 6-in-1s, the 10-in-1s, the 5-in-1s, anything that has an in-one is a great product to have because it can do a lot. It can act as a nail glue, it can act as a reinforcement gel, you can use it as an adhesive for rhinestones, you can use it as a little bit of a builder gel if you wanted it to be a little bit more thick on your nails. This is a great product to have, but my absolute favorite product from Born Pretty has to be their rubber-based gels. And you can see the packaging is also different here as well. So like Born Pretty has really been just trying out different packaging for all of their products, and I am here for it. I do not mind that the products are in different packaging as long as they work, and they do work. But their rubber-based gel, this OG, you need this in your life. I don't know if it's still on the website. If it is, I do have a discount code. Check the link down in the description. Use my discount code and save. But the rubber-based gels, I believe I have the entire collection of I haven't been on their website for a while, but I have all of the colors. These are perfect for those of us that have thin nails. And I do this hack where I use rubber-based gel as well as acrylic onto my nails. That's what I have on my nails right now. And they last me for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks, my friends. So if you're someone that doesn't like to use acrylic, you can't stand the smell of monomer, there are ways to get really long nails. It takes trial and error, even practice makes perfect, guys. Keep practicing. But the rubber-based gels, honestly, they are a godsend. Okay, I think I've sold enough of Born Pretty and why I feel like they are a really great brand for beginners and even those that may have been in the nail world for quite some time. Now let's get to the PR products that they sent me. All right, I have my 5 swatch sticks here, guys. Sorry, I didn't really introduce myself, but hey, it is Nails by Tia Bella. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We do a lot of our own nails here. We do nails at home, beginner nail art tutorials. I'm just getting back into the swing of posting regular videos. I am a full-time employee as well as a part-time college student studying finance. So I try to do videos when I do have the energy and the time to put into them. But these are the latest PR products that Born Pretty was kind enough to send me. So I do have 2 gel polishes. It looks like this one is a glitter reflective gel, And this one is a Aurora's Cat Magnetic Gel. Those are the numbers you see on there is the number to find it on their website if you're interested. And we have some little pots here. So we have a metal painting gel. Ooh, that sounds exciting. And then we have a Aurora's 3D painted gel. Ooh. And then we have a sparkle painting gel. All right, so I have some swatch sticks here. And when you purchase these little pots from Born Pretty, they are going to come with a little foil seal on top. And what I like to do is I like to use some of these little cuticle nippers. I don't use these on my nails because I'm not professional enough. And the last time that I've tried to use this was years ago, and I literally cut off all of my skin. So if you don't know how to use these, don't use them, but you can still buy them cheap off of Shein, and you can use them to kind of open up your nail products. I'm trying to remember who I saw do this. I think it was Christine from Conjure Up Nails was one of the first people that I saw do this. And what they do is they just cut off a little piece right there. Ooh, oh my goodness, that's pretty, eh? You see that? Wow, that is gorgeous. Metal painting gel, but it has a little bit of holographicness, iridescence. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, this is Aurora's 3D painting gel, which I'm going to assume maybe there's going to be a little bit of oh, I have some residue on here. I need to get a paper towel before I make a complete mess of myself. Let me just grab a piece of paper towel, guys. Okay, so we got the 3 pots of products open, and they're all painting gels, although this one is a 3D gel. And here is an up-close look at what the metal iridescent holographic gel paint looks like. We're going to swatch that in a minute. This is the Aurora 3D gel. How cool is that? It is a very thick consistency. You should be able to do 3D nail art. I've seen some shell nails get done with some 3D painting gel. Just gonna rub that off. And so this one is the sparkle paint gel. It's not as runny as the metal gel, but it is there. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and I want to actually swatch these. So I'm going to use my Born Pretty nail brush that they sent me a while back. And we're going to see what kind of stuff we can actually get done. Now, which one do I want to use first? But anyway, we'll dip into the metal painting gel. And you can do, oh my goodness. So, well, that still turned out to be art. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our mistakes and just make them into art, shall we? We're going to do a little Picasso, guys. Oh yeah, it's not really Picasso, is it? You could probably use this as is as well. I'm sure you could use it as a regular paint. It's like a regular gel. It's just that you have to paint it on rather than stroke it on, you know? So, there we go. Okay, so that is what that is. Oh, that looks like a little butterfly. I could probably turn it into a butterfly, but look at that iridescent effect. That is absolutely, that is gorgeous, guys. I don't know about you, that is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just gonna pop this under my UV lamp. I'm not gonna turn the lamp on just yet. I am very curious about using the 3D gel, but I'm gonna put my cover over this because I have a tendency to just make a mess of everything, and it's good to show that everything's not always perfect, you know? So that's the metal painting gel. Now we're gonna move on over to the sparkle painting gel. That is gorgeous. Yeah, so you want to do some nail art and you want to outline your French nails. This is where this gel will come in. Now, I'm not using a thin brush, but if you wanted to use a thin brush, you could do that as well. Or if you wanted to outline some art onto your nails, you can do that as well. Christmas is coming up, so all of the gold, the red, and the green nail art is going to be coming out. Fall is coming up, so all that nice pumpkin spice nails with a little hint of gold and browns and neutral tones will add a little bit of sparkle. So there you go. Not 100% perfect, but it is really glitterily, yeah, glitterly and sparkly. It is gorgeous, guys, and absolutely affordable. That's not bad for a beginner. This is not a bad brush. I would definitely recommend investing in some really nice brushes. All right, so that is that. I'm just gonna rub my brush off for a second. See how that's spilled already? Already spilled. And I didn't actually get to show the ingredients. That's what the ingredients look like. Doesn't look like there's any hydroxyethyl methacrylate, so it might be HEMA-free, which is nice. Okay, so this Aurora 3D painting gel, I'm curious to see what this is about. Okay. Oh, so it's like a texture gel, guys. It reminds me of shell. That is interesting. If you wanted to have 3D nails with a little bit of texture, this reminds me of like Victorian art or something. I don't know what kind of nail design that I would do with this, but I'm sure we can find something. It's a beautiful texture. Look at that art. Art, guys. It is art. That's how that looks. Oh, you could probably do a wonderful wedding nail design with this. It is really beautiful. You just have to be a little bit more creative. All right, so that is that. That gives us an idea of what the textures are like. With a little bit of research, we could probably figure out how we could do some nail art designs. That definitely reminds me of shell as well. Beachy shelly, wedding, elegant, very beautiful. Okay, so I'm done with the nail art brush and this cuticle thing for the minute. We're gonna move on over to the last two products that I have here in this PR batch, and it is going to be these gel polishes. We'll get started with the glitter refractive gel. And I have my swatch sticks here, and we're just gonna go ahead and color this on. Beautiful pink gel polish, a clear gel polish with a mixture of rose pink and holographic glitters in this gel polish. So this would be great as an ombre or by itself. Beautiful. Okay, that's what that is looking like. Just a little bit of a side profile so you can kind of see. I would definitely finish this nail look off with a nice thick layer of reinforcement gel or top coat, encapsulate that. Okay, that is the glitter. And then finally, oh, this is the Aurora magnetic one. Ooh, look at that. So it goes on and it looks like a mixture of brown, and then there's a hint of pink. So yeah, it definitely does give that Aurora effect. Depends on where you look at it. Yeah, you can definitely see the pink but when you move your hand, you see that? Yeah. So where did I put the magnet? So I'm going to get this little magnet because it is magnetic as well. So I'm gonna try to bring this just a little bit closer so that you can kind of see the magnet work. Did that work? Okay, let's try this one. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, I was just about to say, what? The magnet didn't work? Well, trial and error, I guess, but you can kind of see that it shifted it just a little bit. Can you see that little line? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna pop these under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, and then I will be right back to show you the finished gel polish swatch. Okay, here are the swatch sticks, and here's the final look of these products. Now, I will say that there is no tacky layer on the metal paint gel, which tells me that I might actually not need any top coat to go on that, which is nice. Also, this Aurora 3D painting gel also doesn't have a tacky layer as well. So when you are using the metal painting gel and the 3D painted gel, you're going to apply this with your already top coat already finished on your nail design. So this is actually going to be your final step to your nail design. So I just wanted to quickly point that out. There's no tacky layer, so I don't think you need to put anything on top of it. Now, the regular gel polish, there is a tacky layer. The painting gel, there is a tacky layer. And obviously this Aurora has a tacky layer as well. So you are going to go in with your Born Pretty Super Top Coat over these three products. But again, the Aurora as well as the metal painting gel, there is no tacky layer, so you don't need to add any top coat to them. This is the final look of these amazing products from Born Pretty. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are interested in any of Born Pretty's products, definitely check out their website. There's always a sale going on, guys. But again, use the discount code, use my link down in the description. I am an affiliate as well as a brand ambassador for Born Pretty. So if you decide to use that link, I may get a small commission. So I appreciate that. Thanks again, guys, for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, Born Pretty, for sending me these amazing products. Bye, guys.